Alright guys, I've been trying to wait for a sunny day to get this done, but the number of sunny days we've had in the last 5 months, I've been able to count on one hand. So I think I'm just getting tired of waiting. I've had the car back in my possession for about 2 weeks at this point. It has been in the shop for 8 months. And sadly, they hardly did anything to it during that period of time. When I first got the car back in July, I believe it was, I had it sent over to Aloha Auto Center, and they have done all the engine work on it. This thing still runs really cold. You gotta wait, you gotta pump the gas pedal and wait for a while to have it warm up before you can actually start driving it. But it seems to run and drive just fine. I've only taken it out once so far. Planning on taking it over to Vancouver here within the next few months to have a buddy of mine get some more work done on it. In the meantime, I want to get the 2 scenes from my movie done with it first. But anyway, most of the work that I've done so far has been under the hood. But I just wanted to give you guys kind of an update on what's going on here. Let me get the camera covered, and we'll come out here out front. I built this carport specifically for the TBird. I built that in the summer of last year. And the bird has finally come home to roost, which is nice. I'm not going to open the hood, obviously, because it's raining so hard right now, but it's got new tires on it and new wheels. The wheels that came with the car, I was not able to... it stuck out too far in the back, and we weren't able to get skirts on. So I got these from my friend Lyle. He took these off of a 65 and painted them. He gave me the whole set for $380, I think it was. And my plan is to just get some hubcaps that look nice and just put them right over these wheels. So yeah, that's one improvement that I've gotten done. As you can see, the weather stripping has been done. And it's that way throughout the car at this point, which is nice. They also fixed the motors for the windows, so the windows actually go up and down now. Thanks to Lyle, I have new seats for the car. I got both the front ones, the passenger and the driver, so that they still match. They are a very pukey green at this color, so I'm going to be painting those in a future video. He also gave me a new center console piece, so we're going to be fixing that too. I've decided to make the entire interior of the car black, just like the one in the Highlander show, which means the carpet's going to be coming out, because I spoke with Tom, who's the president of the Northwest Vintage ThunderBird Club, and he recommended that I just pull the carpet out of here. I also suspect there's probably a lot of rust on the floor underneath this carpet, so I'm going to be working on that as well. The back seat is in great condition, and the back dash is also in good condition. We got this big crack in the front dash here, so that's probably going to have to be replaced. But yeah, just going to do all black with a white headliner, which has been fixed at this point. The repair shop down the street, ABBA, did this. And they also fixed the motors for the windows. But in 8 months, yeah, they did not get a whole lot of work done to this car. So I can't say I'm very happy about that. I also suspect they charged me for some of the work twice, which I'm also not happy with. So the car is not going to be going back there. I'm hoping that Lyle can help me finish restoring this thing, and then we're going to paint it. So I've also gotten some new door panels from Lyle that are black and in like new condition. So all these cracks and everything I was talking about repairing, now I don't even have to do that. I've just got a whole new door panel that can go in there, and I got a matching set for both sides. What else? We got the new gas pedal put in right there, and it seems to be working fine. I noticed that the stock versions of the gas pedal have a rubber section down here at the base, and the rubber eventually goes bad and then cracks or tears, and then you've got to go and buy another one. So I had the fella at the car shop jerry-rig something here. It's actually a metal piece with a hinge on the back of it. So the gas pedal can still move, but I don't have to worry about the rubber giving out on me anymore. So that's what we did there. What else? I think that's about it at this point in time. My next plan for this car is to work on putting PUR15 on the entire inside of the trunk to take care of all the rust in there. So I'll be doing a separate video on that. Today I am planning on prepping the inside of this trunk for the PUR15, and hopefully I can start that tomorrow. One of the reasons I built this carport was not just to protect the car, but also so I can get work done on crummy days like this. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at with the car right now. One more thing. Where's the keys? There we go. I got this super cool keychain for the car keys. These are the car keys right here. I need to make some copies of these. We've got the 2 square ones, so I've already got 2 of those, but this circular one opens the trunk, and it's the only one I got. So I need to make a copy of that. But I got this cool Highlander keychain from somebody off of the Highlander Facebook page, and I figured since this is the Highlander car, it would be very appropriate to have this keychain. So anyway, tons of work to do. As soon as we get some good weather, I'm going to be shooting the scenes for this car, and then I'll be taking it to Vancouver for my buddy Lyle to work on. So anyway, just wanted to give you guys an update since it's been so long. But yeah, still lots of work to do. I'll be checking in with you guys again soon. Take care and have a good day.